Hey, it's your blue hair babe, Brittany Garcia with Black Mountain Valley Realty. And on this episode of Blue Hair Big Deals, we're at 2155 Hijolly Drive in Bullhead City, Arizona, checking out this new construction home by Castro Construction. It is 1,281 square feet of living space, a 2-car garage. Let's head on inside and take a look at the inside. As you come in the front door, you do have your living room just off the front. And if you follow me this way, I'll take you into the kitchen. So we have quartz countertops, an open kitchen sink, a gas range, and a pot filler. We have a nice pantry right here, and your dining table would go in this area. We have the master bedroom right here and a nice walk-in closet just off of it. And come take a look at this gorgeous bathroom and this beautiful walk-in shower. Okay, and over here we have the guest bedrooms. We have one guest bedroom over here. A nice linen closet right here. The guest bathroom. And your third guest bedroom. All right, and this is my favorite part. We have a little mudroom area with some storage. So cabinets up top, some cabinets down here. And then right here is your laundry room. Electric or gas dryer, up to you. And then out here is the 2-car garage. So in your backyard, you have a nice covered patio, brick wall, fencing, and we'll have wrought iron through. And you do have a view of the river. All right, and if you want to head out to your backyard, you do have 2 different ways of getting out here. You can go through the kitchen or through the master bedroom. Thanks for touring this home with me on this episode of Blue Hair Big Deals. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, give me a call, 702-533-7073, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.